Go Cyphers!
And we are here at
FUTech
Couch Talk.
I'm Nigel Robin Malintim, BSIT-WMA.
I'm Angelo Marquez then, so BSIT-WMA, third year.
I'm Kenneth Angelo Ella Rosa, and I'm a BSIT-WMA student.
Basically, yung IT Olympics, competition between nationwide siya eh. So, as far as schools, merong from Pangasinan, so napakarami talagang tao. Yung cybersecurity category, IT Olympics of University of Makati. Capture the flag format siya na mag-scan ka ng vulnerabilities sa isang web server, kumbaga. So, doon talaga natetest yung basically yung networking tsaka IT fundamentals ng mga students, yung mga aspiring na mga IT professionals. It's an honor tsaka napakagandang experience. Kasi ano na siya parang it's a real world operation na na-experience mo firsthand.
A very good experience. Kasi first of all, first time namin to compete. Grabe na, may ganito pala na from dati like contest na small lang. Tapos biglang out of nowhere, kalaban mo na yung mga ibang school. Like, you're competing to be the best. Like, you're going to show what you're really good at.
Sakto rin yung naturo ni Tech sa amin that time kasi first, kakastart pa lang namin actually sa security field. Parang yung first subject pa lang natin. Sakto naturo sa amin agad yung Nmap and Wireshark. Yun yung nagamit namin sa pero more on Nmap. Maraming school kaya kinakabahan kami kasi na-divide din siya into 2 batches eh. 2 hours kami. Batch ko tayo. Yung 2 hours na ginagawa kinakabahan kami. Nandun lang kami sa school. Yung ibang groups nag-review lang. Tapos kami kasi we're there for the experience talaga. Hindi naman namin expect na yung mag-champion. Kung familiar tayo sa shooters, may dalawang side lang yan. Either attacker ka or defender ka. And syempre, as a cybersecurity na gusto kong takakin na field, doon tayo lagi sa defending side. Kasi pag attacker din napapasok yung mga hacking. Mas okay na maging parang hero ka na nagsesecure sa isang server.
Ito yung very broad siya kasi secure nila yung application, network, na-experience sobrang lawak ng field to the point na kailangan mo talagang go into the field muna, experience ka muna, tapos tsaka ka mamili kung ano yung pinaka-path na gusto mo. Hindi na kasi siya linear and yung hacking part of cybersecurity is small lang siya. Para dun sa buong lawak niya na ang daming pwede nyung applyan. Merong mga asset management, asset security, merong identity management and security, pwede nyo pumasok. Having a strong password is enough. Hindi ko ano siya eh, strong is too simple. Pwede siyang talitan tinitignan ng many characters. Pero I think important din yung complexity. Kailangan hindi siya related sa kahit anong personal details mo. Uniqueness din.
Antivirus software has me covered. Ako personally, ang gusto ko lang is yung Windows security lang talaga. Hindi na ako nag-install ng kung ano. Kasi nag-run pa sila sa background apps ko pag naglalaro ako. Wag na. Bakit yung pinapasa ko ng website na ano?
Yeah, boy.
Cybersecurity training is an effective defense against attack. In training, kumbaga, we get to know more about what's out there and how to we protect ourselves from it. Training is effective, pero learning in your own way, learning from your mistakes, also helps build your own character.
I won't get cyber attack. My business is too small. Common mistake na porque maliit yung business mo. So, no matter how big or small yung business, cyber attacks are very possible.
Cybersecurity is a responsibility of the IT department. It's a responsibility for all of us kasi all of us uses social media. So again, it's our own responsibility. So, hindi lang po siya mag-handle na for the IT department.
makinig na mabuti sa networking. Magandang foundation sa security field. Kasi ako, kung tutuusin, mas madalian sana ako kung nakinig ako na mabuti ng networking na.
Yung gulong sa kahon yung sarili. Kasi napakalawak yung impression ko sa sarili nila. Ito lang ako. Ang dami ng opportunities and ng options. Yung maging ceiling napakataas. So, it's a good path to
You just enjoy. Hindi laging panalo. There's always going to be bad days. Hindi mo magigets. As long as na you pick up something from it and you get to learn. You just enjoy what you're doing and follow what your heart wants.